Many experienced outdoor enthusiasts carry ribbed down jackets in their backpacks all year round. What exactly sets them apart from regular down jackets? The key difference lies in the value. Ribbed down jackets primarily aim for brightness and warmth, typically with a down-filling amount of around 100 grams, requiring the overall warmth-to-weight ratio to be superior to that of regular down jackets. Hence the need for high fluffiness. 800 fill power is considered excellent, while 1000 fill power is the limit, achieved by only a few. Another key feature of ripped down jackets is their easy compressibility, which is also related to fluffiness. High fill power indicates high resilience and a smaller packing system. When comparing horizontally, it should be lighter and smaller than it. More breathable than regular down jackets, because down is mainly for static warmth and not very suitable for active wear. Therefore, in low-temp hiking like a snow mountain, using a combo of sweat-wicking base, breathable fleece, ripped down jacket, and hard shell can better meet warmth and breathability needs in cold weather. Ripped down jackets and fleece are similar, belonging to outdoor warriors who love activities,